Hi everyone, it's me, Ivan again. Today we're gonna do another EV3 Mindstorm subject. It's basically like one of these cars, geared vehicle. So this is a geared vehicle, so you just need to quickly build. You need dismantle the car if you're just following on the EV3 tutorial. This is all the steps you basically need to do. So just build it if you haven't. So now let's get started. So first, we're gonna go to display and grab a displays like Lego Mindstorm icon, Lego EV3 icon. But you can do anything. Like probably I want to do snow or lightning. You can do anything. So it's just your choice. But if it's EV3 icon, might be better. Yeah. So after you've done this bit, we need to start doing the forever loop. So go to sensing and then go down and then grab a wait until center button is pressed, and then if center button is released, wait until. So this is gonna just basically if it's a center button is pressed, so it's gonna start the code. And then release, just press once. And then go to motors and a reset degrees counted. And then clear display because there will be some displays after. And then reset timer. So it's going to just reset the timer. Set initial distance. It's a new variable. Let's now make basically all the variables, I suppose. So initial distance. So after you've done this initial distance, just set it here, and then set it to 4 distant in centimeter. So it's gonna just like the thing you see that small like glasses of thing, the 4 motor, and then go to motors and grab the A run for 1 rotation, -25 speed. Okay, now you can make that like 5 rotation, like it's like lasts longer, or like 2 or whatever, and then you can be positive. It just moves back basically. If you don't like moving back, you can maybe move by 25 or even more. So yeah. So then set time collapse time to timer. And then set distance travel. So I always forgot to make new variables. Distance travel traveled to the 4 motor in distance centimeters minus initial distance. And then set velocity, so it's another new variable. Velocity. Set velocity to, it's basically 2 divided. It's distance traveled divided by 100 divided by elapsed time. Distance traveled and then we're going to set rotation speed. It's another new variable. Set rotation speed to, actually it's called rotational speed, but never mind. It's basically another 2 divided by, it's basically this 80 degrees counted divided by -360 divided by elapsed time. And then we're going to start writing down the variables. So the variables we're gonna like the variable is at So we're gonna go to display and now go to right. Now we're gonna write distance traveled at line at 1 with large black. You can do it with normal black, whatever you like. And then set and write cm, like the centimeter, 97 in large black. And then write down velocity at 133 with the font large black, of course. And then write ms, m like /s, that's basically miles per second, I think, yeah. At 97.33. Okay, all of my things now, like they're just like all large blacks, and then in common, but they're also XY positions. It might not be the same as Scratch as the other tutorials made, but one actually, it's like basically like a multiplication table I told in the other episode. So now I'll set rotational speed to 65. So and then set RPS. I think it basically means rotational per second. And then 97 and then 65, yeah. So I think we're done here. So after you connect with your robot, my robot's not on right now. So you can actually just run the code, click the center button, and then release it. And it will just move backwards by 25 for now. But you can change these two values. This is how much it goes. Like one rotation is just one of these rounds. You can also make it 25 to pause it to go forward. So yeah. I think, yeah, so you just run it and you can click it again without stopping the code too. And then before you click it again, look on the screen. There should be 3 values, like with the distance traveled centimeters. Sometimes they don't work out as normally, but they have a meaning. So if you know, just tell me in the comments. I think, yeah, we're going to end this episode here. So see you next time for any EV3 tutorial. I hope you guys have a good day. And then I think, yeah, bye.